Well, we saw a bit of that thunderstorm activity that was drifting through Pennsylvania break off and make its way into the four-state region. You notice the walkway there at the Walking Mall in Winchester, a bit on the damp side. Yes, we just saw some showers and a few storms roll through portions of Northern Virginia, the Eastern Panhandle, and of course back into Western Maryland as well. Notice those temperatures cooler where we've seen that rainfall still holding in the lower 80s and 70s back to the north and west, starting to really warm up as you get back into portions of central Maryland, middle to upper 80s out there. And of course, with the humidity factor in areas where it has not rained yet, we're seeing those heat index values getting into the 90s, and it is still likely to continue to heat up for the next few hours for the bulk of the shower and storm activity that we're still expecting later on makes its arrival. And again, you can see where that line of storms dissipated, but it stretched back into Pennsylvania. We had this cluster of storms drop into the four-state region and then dissipate as it did so. But we saw a decent amount of shower activity up into southern Pennsylvania, getting back into western Maryland there. And you notice how the showers continued but dissipated very quickly as they dropped south and east. And this line of storms as well did produce a few severe thunderstorm warnings. The last of those just got canceled about 10 minutes ago, but there is still a good bit of thunderstorm activity right now just to the southwest of Leesburg, north of I-66, drifting back toward Front Royal. So if you're headed that direction here in the next hour or so, you may still encounter a bit of stormy weather. Now, we still have this enhanced risk in place mostly across the eastern half of the area. Frederick, Montgomery counties included in that, as well as Fairfax and Loudoun counties back into northern Virginia, while the rest of us are still in the slight risk. Again, enhanced 3 out of 5 on the severe scale, slight risk 2 out of 5, as we are expecting a broken line of strong thunderstorms later on into the afternoon and evening. The timing is backed up a bit, 5 to 9 o'clock. Still, though, damaging winds the main threat, and we are still expecting that line of storms to be broken, which means localized areas will see that severe weather. Others may just see rainfall. And Future Track showing us just that here. Again, the line of storms will be approaching in around 5 to 6 o'clock, and notice how these stronger cells pretty much remain broken as they cross the area later tonight. So again, we will expect to see that activity between 5 to 9, but then after that, things are going to be calming down very quickly as we head into the overnight hours and into your Wednesday morning. So again, that activity remains very broken later on today. And after that, we will have a few more thunderstorms still around Wednesday and also Thursday, just given the amount of heat we're going to be seeing. That's another story over the next few days with temperatures up into the middle 90s. And then Friday into Saturday, what's left of Laura, which is now into the Gulf as a hurricane, could bring some rainfall our direction as we kick off the weekend.